controversial IAS officer Sriram Venkitaraman has been sent on deputation to Kerala Public Relations Department's fact-check division to keep dissemination of fake news at bay. His name was recommended by the Health Department the other day. However, this decision of Kerala government has raised some eyebrows. On August 3, 2019, the IAS officer was accused of driving his friend's car in an inebriated condition and fatally knocking down a journalist in Thiruvananthapuram. Though the journalist M Bhasheer was taken to hospital, he succumbed to his injuries. Sriram was arrested and remanded following the accident, but he managed to get bail. However, Sriram was taken back into service last March as Joint Secretary of Kerala Health Department. He was soon given the responsibility of the War Room, which coordinates COVID-related activities. He was also in charge of the COVID first-line treatment centers. Though initially government won accolades for reining in the coronavirus, later the situation went out of control, even in the capital city. And strangely enough, the IAS officer who has been helming the COVID prevention activities is now being entrusted with the new job in the fact-check team. That too, at a time when COVID pandemic is spreading like anything. A committee headed by Chief Secretary Tom Jose had earlier recommended revoking his suspension after pointing out then that the police had not filed the charge sheet even after 6 months since the accident. Later, the police on February 1 filed the charge sheet before the Chief Judicial Magistrate Court. After his reinstatement, Kerala Union of Working Journalists and Basheer's family expressed their anguish over the decision. Incidentally, Sriram had not appeared in the court despite receiving court notice 3 times in the car accident case. The fact-check team was actually formed in the Public Relations Department at the behest of the Chief Minister in order to keep a watch on fake news that were being circulated during COVID restriction period. But eventually, this team started interfering in non-COVID news and news reports of mainstream media. Then there were speculations that the aim of the fact-check team was to brand all news reports against the state government as fake ones. But after it goofed up while trying to depict the news report of a major media as fake, it started focusing only on social media news. The team headed by PRD Secretary includes top officials from police, IT and revenue departments. Other members in the team are cyber security experts, fact-checking experts, officials from Cyberdome and forensic departments, and a CDIT web department official. The government also had proposed to nominate 2 media editors during the formation of the team. Meanwhile, opposition leader Ramesh Chennithala and KPCC President Mullapalli Ramachandran condemned Sriram's inclusion in the fact-check team. News Desk, Kaumadi English.